Hey guys, Technometry with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to fix this issue. Flash is disable error message that you might be receiving whether you're trying to use a flashlight or using your camera and flash is not working. But before we go ahead and get started, if you guys are new to our channel, we do a lot of tech news, reviews, and giveaways. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's go talk about this message. So this message appears in a couple ways. Most of the time we've seen this message appear whenever you're using your camera app and looking to use the flash, and also this message appears when you're trying to use your flashlight. And the couple of most reason why it shows up is, first thing to check is your battery. What happens is when the battery is under 20%, flash is disabled so that it saves battery, because when you use the flashlight or the flash feature, it takes a little bit more of the power, and when you're at the low power mode, it's trying to save the battery. So first thing to do is make sure your phone is fully charged. Go ahead and plug it into a charger and make sure it is fully charged. The next thing you want to do if your phone is fully charged is take or remove any kind of case that you have. So the flash on your phone is going to be this looking button that you see here. As you can see here, that kind of on any kind of display that you have, it's going to be rounded next to the cameras. You're going to make sure that is not blocked. If it's blocked, it's not going to flash and it's going to throw that error. So make sure you do that. While you're at it, if your photo are turning out to be blurry even with flash on, you might want to take a microfiber cloth and wipe down those lens here, front lens or the back lens. It will definitely help to clear that up. And if that still hasn't solved your problem, you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to go into is settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to want to do is go to general and then software update and look to see if you have any software update that needs to be installed. As you can see here, we have a 14.6 here that needs to be updated. So we're going to go ahead and install the latest update, because sometimes what happens is if you have an older update or the phone hasn't been updated, there might be security or bug or any software glitches that needs to be updated. So make sure you have the latest version of the iOS. And if it's still not working at the latest iOS, simply what you're going to do is go ahead and restart your device. On the newer phones, if you have any that's a full screen phones, most likely what you're going to do, hold the side button and the volume up button at the same time. So this is how you turn off a phone. You want to hold the volume up and side button at the same time. Just holding the side button won't work. So hold both of the buttons at the same time and it's going to say slide to power off. You're going to go ahead and slide it and power it off. Wait till the phone is completely shut down and then power it back on. Again, make sure your phone is fully charged. It's at the latest iOS, and if you have any kind of case or anything blocking it, take off the case, and we're going to go ahead and try the flash again using either the camera app or the regular flashlight, which we'll show you guys in a second, and that should hopefully clear things up. Another thing we've seen is that if you're in some extreme weather, let's say it's really cold, extremely cold, or extremely hot weather, the phone might be cooled off. So you might want to go to a place where the temperature is at the ideal level. And once the phone is powered on, what you're going to do is go ahead and test the flashlight by simply pulling down your control menu here and then hit that that flashlight, and you'll see the flashlight is working. You can press on, hold it to adjust a different level to make sure different level settings are working. And once that's working, go open up your camera again. Now this time check the flash is on here. So this is flash off. You can see flash on, so make sure your flash is actually on here. So we'll click on that, flash is on, and then we take a picture again here. So want to make sure that is on. And if all of that is working for you, as you can see here, flash on, off, or auto. So what happens is by default, if you have it like this, it's going to be auto, but you want to go ahead and turn it on. And when it's turned on, it's going to be that green. So it's going to be that yellow. And once you do that, you notice the phone was taken with flash on. When it's on auto, so if you guys see when it's on flash is on auto, that means if you're taking a picture in the dark, it will activate the flash. But if you're taking a picture, you still want the flash on, you're going to have to manually turn on the flash. So that's how you go about getting this fixed. Hopefully this video is helpful. If you guys found any other ways or tips, leave it in the comment section. Or if you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment sections. So if this video is helpful, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.